Today I'm going to demo about isolated trace sessions improvement. So in earlier versions, like whenever we have multiple trace sessions running, so it usually creates a conflict between the sessions. Like for example, so for this demo I'm using a traffic light. So here this trace session is interested in control port and the red state, and here the other trace session is interested in only the green state activation events, like whenever something happens in this green, so this will be interested in this. So earlier whenever we have these things, so it usually like you used to get the trace entries for all the things in other tray session also, which is like bit conflicting, and also it is not desired. So now all these tray sessions are completely isolated. So now you will not receive any unwanted trace entry. So only which is desired in the trace configuration mentioned. So you will able to receive only those trace entries for these. Parallel trace session. So for this example, so in this trace configuration, I added the port and red activation, and then here I just added the green state. So now I'll just move to the trace tab, and here also I'll move to the trace tab. So now there are no entries in this. Now I'll try to send event. So right now it is at the red state. So we'll move the transit from red to green. So I'll send the event. So now you can see that the trace entries are completely isolated. So since this is interested in port, so port and red, so here we are receiving uh, the port entry, and here it is just interested in green so state, so it is only receiving the relevant state, which is green activated. So now I'll again try to send one more event, say yellow. So yeah, uh, so here you won't receive anything, and here you receive the yellow, and then I'll try to send red. So, yeah, now you can see the red activation is coming here because it is interested in the red state. So here it won't receive anything, and even other things as works as usual. So for example, say if I suspend this, so it will not receive anything, but here you will continue to receive the corresponding trace entries which are desired mentioned in the configuration. So I'll try to send green. Yeah. So this I haven't received anything, but this will continue to receive. So now all these trace sessions are completely isolated from each other. Yeah. That's all from my side.